In this video, I will show you how you can fix the not enough memory or the storage space running out problem on any Samsung tablet. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Storage, and on this page, you can check what type of data is consuming the most storage. Now, to free up some space, first of all, just tap on Duplicated Files and check if you have any duplicated files or not. If you have any duplicated files available, just delete them from here. As you can see, we have no duplicated files available. And after that, just tap on Large Files. And from here, you will find all the large files on your tablet. Now from here, just select the files which you want to delete. For example, I will select all of them. And after that, just tap on Delete. Select Delete. Now after you delete the large files, then tap on Trash and go to My Files. From here, just tap on Select and select All. After that, just tap on Delete All, then go back. And from here, just tap on Unused Apps. Now, if there are any apps which are no longer using, just delete them from your tablet to free up some space. And after you do that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Apps. From here, just tap on the three lines on the screen. And from here, just select Sort by Size. Then tap on OK. And after you do that, all the apps on your tablet will be sorted by the size. And from here, just select the apps. Then tap on Storage. And as you can see, these apps are consuming storage by storing cache memory. Just tap on Clear Cache. Now just do that for all the apps over here. Select the app, then tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. Let's do this for at least the top 15 apps on your tablet, especially the messaging apps, the browser, and the games, as they store the most cache memory. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. And from here, just delete any app which you're no longer using. Just like that. Now, after you do that, then just check the storage on your tablet. And if you want to free up even more space, just copy all the photos and videos from your tablet to any external drive or to the cloud and delete them from your tablet to free up some space. And this is how you can fix the not enough memory and the storage space running out problem on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.